And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day in SimplyDiag Community Hub here in sunny Cheshire. And it's promising to be a beautiful morning. It's a short stay, 6:15. Been here about half an hour, 3/4 an hour, something like that by now. And yeah, we're getting just getting started for the day. Just had my first number 9. Nah, I do like my coffee in the morning. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. So what have we been up to? Yesterday I had an early start. We started looking at the Mercedes with the boost issues. Narrowed that down now to either a blocked EGR cooler, changeover valve, something like that. It's also had a few modifications to the exhaust. The exhaust flap is missing, so that's also making me wonder, has there been some software jiggery pokery gone on with it, which is all too common this day and age. So if you're one of these people that think a component delete or a fault code delete, EGRs, DPFs, fault code, getting rid of the fault code out the fault code table of the car and that, just making it worse for the next person along, please don't do it. All these cheap remaps and stuff like that where you're deleting stuff, it's not the way forward, especially when you're looking at you know, expensive component replacement and stuff like that. And if you do, just leave a sticker in the glove box or something, just to let us know, the next person along that's going to have a look at this car when it's been bought from the auction. Yeah, it's not cricket, it's not the right way to do things. Morning Keith, how are you, mate? But there we go. So there's me rant over for this morning. Had a fantastic afternoon yesterday over with Mark, Martin and Neil over at Core Diagnostics. Martin and Neil, obviously long-time friends of the SimplyDiag Network, formerly from Hella Gutman, and we've gone to a new company now, Core Diagnostics, offering remote services. You know, there's a few of our partners already offering these services, but we went over and we had a look, we had a chat. Wow, what an impressive setup. It really was. It was really good to catch up, and really good to see that setup. So yeah, wish them all the best in the future in their endeavours. Mark's been at it a long time, and doing everything in the background, and he's now launched in the public eye. So good luck to you, Mark and team. Morning Clive, how are you, mate? So what have we got on today? Well, first thing, the little Mariva that I posted about yesterday, that's done and dusted. It was in this morning first thing. Check that from cold. Both temperature sensors reading the same. Started first time on the button, no problems. So that's a fix. The car dealer can come and pick that up later. So we're very happy about that. Nice easy 4-right fix. What else have we got on today? Got to carry on looking at this Mercedes. Got to get deeper into that. We've still not done the A3. Still not started the A3. So Dag, sorry about that if you're watching, mate, but I will get to it. There are broken wires, and I'm pretty sure fixing them wires will fix it. So yeah, there we go. What else have we got in? We've got this rather large transit van that won't fit in the hub. No way I'm putting a van in here. It's in for a ruck of different little bits and pieces. Poor cold starting. Literally you'll start it, it'll run for a second and then cut out, almost like fuel starvation, as though it's had an aftermarket fuel filter fitted, and the seals have not been renewed, the fuel's running back or something like that. Once it's been started once, it runs fine. Leave it for an hour and we're back to the same thing. So that's where I'm going with that. Also, typically interior lights not working, auxiliary power outlet not working. It's got flashing ambers on it, front and rear, they're not working. So we're going to have a little bit of a look through that today. We did a bit of work on it last week, did the pilot injector learn on it. It was running rough, smoking, knocking, bit of a fuel pump knock on it. And we did the pilot injector learn. That is a scary procedure, that 45 minutes of please don't blow up, please don't blow up, please don't blow up. Even though you do all the pre-checks and all that, it's not a nice procedure to do that. Anybody that's done one knows what I'm on about. Morning Stephen, how are you, mate? And yeah, I've got as per another couple of jobs coming in. I can't remember for the life of me what they are, because I don't operate a diary system, being trade only. So yeah, we'll see what turns up in the day. But now I'm going to get my second number 9. I'm going to get cracking on this transit. So have an awesome hump day. Once again, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.